Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you're working on an AMTC Hybridflush automatic toilet flusher and you need to change the batteries on it. Now you might already know you need to change the batteries, or you might be dealing with it not working, not flushing when it's supposed to. You know, a good obvious first troubleshooting step is just to swap out new batteries. It's really easy to do. You just need 4 AA batteries. If you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them for cheap with free shipping. But anyways, all we need to do is come in with an Allen wrench. They actually provided it. If you still have the material, they have that one of these small Allen wrenches was provided with the the flush machine. All we need to do is undo that top screw on the cover, and then this cover just slides up, and then you'll just see right on the right here you have these 4 AA batteries. You just need to pop those out, pop the new ones in, going plus minus from left to right, on top, plus on top, minus on, plus on top, minus on top, plus on top, minus on top. Anyways, put those in, slide the cover back on, screw it back down, and then you're done. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.